There's so much good smoke on this, I can't tell you. Okay, kids, what we want to do, now a lot of guys are going to cut this up, put marks. I'm not going to. I'm doing it whole, and I'm going to slice it. Could be a disaster, but we'll find out. Here comes Sweet Money Hot. Get that flavor in there. Now we're going to flip it over. Get this side. This side. Good. Now we'll turn this over. Another little trick coming up. Take a little bit of peach vinegar. Now this is going to help give it a little tang, but it's also further cleaning the skin. Now we have our drum heated to 300. I'm not going to go near as wild on the salt. We're going to end up scraping this off too. Nice little coating. While it roasts for about 45 minutes, then we're going to be bumping it to 400 and watching it do its thing. So we will see you by the smoker. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, it's shining good. Let's close her up. Okay, it's about 30 minutes. A little less than I wanted. This end's 140. This end's 136, but the middle's like, it's 130. We gotta put this back on. Okay, we're gonna do a couple things. We're gonna do another vinegar brush after I hit it with the jacquard. Want it as dry as possible, okay? So now we're gonna come in here with that peach vinegar again and that little brush, and we're gonna put on, because I really wanna get it done more. Don't do this at home. I think I wanna get about 10 degrees out of it before I do the foil boat. So let me just do that peach vinegar. God, I hope that looks good in the camera, because it sure looks good to me. All right, we're gonna put it back on the cooker and we'll see you in a little bit. Oh my gosh, yeah. Now we're gonna bump it up to 400, do a couple tricks in the house, and come back out. Okay, let's check this thing out with my Thermapen ONE. Don't leave home without it. 163, I don't mind it being that hot. 152, that's perfect, because it's thinner down there. What we're gonna do is just gonna give it a quick brush. Kind of try and get it dry now. To get that crispy, it's got to be dry as you can get it. We're going to take these onions, these sweet onions, we'll put them in the bottom of the boat. Okay, then we're going to take some of these fresh peaches. Woo-hoo-hoo! We're going to save the rest of the peaches for our slaw we're making, which I can't wait to show you how that goes. Now, for the liquid, we're going to start by doing some fruit spread, just a little bit. And this is very tart, okay? Okay, we got rid of that one. Just a little snuzzle of chicken stock. Not too, we gotta be careful in the liquid because we don't want it overflowing in the drum. A little olive oil. Listen, it's a little peach balsamic. And what that does, I always talk to you about yin and yang and sweet and hot and all that. This thing's just really getting ready to pop on us. Okay, so now we got our dry ingredients. Little Louis, because we want some salt, we want some pepper in there. And then don't go crazy. Don't think I've lost my mind, but we're gonna put some cucaracha, because this is a really sweet sauce, and we need the vinegar to give us a little spike, and we need the heat to counteract the sweet. Tighten it up. Doesn't leak. We dry it off one more time. Man, because it's just still bleeding. And this brined all night, the dry brine, we're gonna cook it until the skin pops. See you outside. I think I'm losing it, so I'm gonna hit it with a little torch. Okay, kids, here comes the fun time. We got some slaw. We have some really thin sweet onions. Did you say a peach slaw? Is that what you said, Papa? You're losing your mind again. Let me see that little Louis. Okay, and then I'm gonna hand it to my capable assistant, Casey Lee Ball. Put some gloves on and toss it. And then I'm gonna make the dressing. Cucaracha, olive oil, peach vinegar, little Louis. So let's put some olive oil in the bowl. Now we've got some peach balsamic, very carefully measured like I like to do. It's about 60-40. We're also gonna put just a little peach nectar in there. Some cucaracha, because what I like to do with the cucaracha is have it combat the sweetness. So you get that heat, and you always need some sodium and pepper. So we're gonna do that. And the miracles of broadcasting, that was little Louis, a fork's gonna appear and I'm gonna taste it. Let's whip this thing up. A little more of that vinegar. Want to make sure the peach comes out and kind of hits you in the nose. There you go. It's okay to taste as you go. It's okay to make adjustments as you go. This is your time. Okay, one last adjustment. We're ready. We want this to be sweet, savory. We want it to help the peaches pop. Great, we're ready. Now we're gonna put it all together. Oh, look at that slaw. Don't want to overdress it. Stir it up, make sure you get all those peaches in. Listen, you don't have to cook pork belly to make this slaw. This is a great summertime slaw. Takes care of the peaches, you got the sweet onions that are rare. Let me just see. It really is delicious. So we're gonna set this aside. Now we're gonna go to work on the pork belly. Okay, what we're gonna do with this, God, such smoky goodness. Take this, the peaches and the onions, shake them down good. Okay, so that's there. Here comes the fun. Let's let it just settle a little bit. Okay, kids, that's great. So what we're gonna do now, pull my belly out. You right here, you're wondering, what am I doing? What am I doing? Obviously saving myself a tasting bite. There's so much good smoke on this, I can't tell you. Okay, you know what we're gonna do with this? Which I wasn't gonna do, this is an improv. Okay, we're gonna put these in a cast iron. Great, we're just gonna load them in and we're gonna crisp them up just a little bit. I just want a little resistance. Okay, we're gonna have just James crisp them up. I'll sneak over with the camera at some point and then we'll assemble them. There you have it. Oh, I don't like that there. Oh. I tell you, I'm pretty happy with that.